So I just stopped this guy walking down the street because he looked so cool. Take a look at this here. I'm gonna switch over to portrait mode right away because he just looks so cool. And what I asked him to do is pose right in front of this decaying, colorful wall, giving me this beautiful contrast here. And I think it works really well. And I might switch over to a portrait orientation as well. Yeah, this looks so cool. The glasses, the hat, all of it. And the way he's keeping a straight face is perfect, 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 perfect this. So cool. Now, I saw the top of his hat getting a little bright, so I'm gonna tap on his hat. That's gonna bring it back into exposure here. And I think this is gonna look so cool with this wall. I'm gonna switch over to vertical mode, tap on his hat one more time, and then see if I can get closer. And I just love this right here, feeling the frame. I wanna carve out his chin a little bit, and then get that hat back into the right exposure there. All right, perfect. We got that shot. Awesome, gracias mi amigo. That's what I love about photography, and this is what I love about Mexico. Literally, we're just walking down these streets here, trying to get some different compositions, trying to find some photos on such a beautiful day. And this guy comes out of nowhere and just looks like he's a character in a movie. And the fact that I can kind of just tap him on his shoulder, try and get his attention, and ask him to take a photo, and kind of work the scene and put him in the right background. Everywhere here is almost the right background, but honestly, this very specific spot, a colorful, decaying wall in the shadow, gives this nice, indirect, soft light, and the fact that he had this perfect face, this really cool character. When we have moments like that, we have to take advantage of it. So take a look at this. What a beautiful scene, but it's nowhere near as beautiful as this little subject who keeps on poking his head out as I start to walk down this alley. And every time I take my camera out, he pulls his head back in. He's playing a little game with me, but I'm gonna take this opportunity to really try and frame this up in the best possible way. What I'm trying to do is line up all these elements perfectly in this shot. I have that sun flare in just the right position. This is only gonna last a few minutes here. I have these beautiful white wall and these gorgeous windows, and then I have that gorgeous blue sky. So something right around here is gonna work perfectly. And you can already see this is a beautiful shot, even without a cute little doggy being in the composition, but having his little head poke out is gonna be the icing on the cake. Look how beautiful this light is, and there's his tiny little face right there. What a cutie. Look at that. Oh, that's all we needed right there. Perfect. Now I'm gonna switch over to video, go to my 0.5, lock the focus and exposure, and then now with the cute little doggy's head, that's exactly what I'm looking for. Oh yeah, come here, puppy. I think that's gonna be so cute. Now I'm gonna switch back over to my photo. I'm gonna go to 0.5, lock the focus and exposure, and keep on firing away. And that's all we needed. There's just a few seconds of such a cute doggy, but this is what I love about travel photography. You think you have a moment, and you're never quite sure how things are gonna play out, and then you just get this one magical little element, this cute little face that comes out of nowhere and just seals the deal on what was already a good image. It's unpredictable. You can't really plan this stuff out. You just have to be in the right place at the right time and have a device that's responsive enough, that's nimble enough to let you get a variety of shots in a matter of seconds. Now let's move on. So check this out, just going right down the very next alley here. It just never ceases to surprise me. We see this beautiful older lady with a young boy just outside of this window in this perfect alley here. And I wanna see if I can frame this up in such a way that does them justice. So here's what I wanna do. We're talking about lens choices, and lens choices make a big difference. If I choose a telephoto lens, what that's gonna do is compress my background and make it larger in the frame. So I'm gonna go to my 2.5, and that's immediately gonna fill the frame. Oh, perfect. Hola. I wanna get them waving a little bit. I just wanna get their eye contact. They don't necessarily have to be waving, but I'll do that especially when there's children in the scene, because I want them looking directly at me, directly into the camera, and gain their attention. I'm gonna see if I can do something a little crazy and get even just a little bit closer on these stairs. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out, but let's find out. Hola. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Yo,
Sí.
Perfecta Martínez Flores, a sus órdenes.
Martínez Flores. That is such a beautiful name right here. Gracias, Martínez Flores. Gracias. And this is so cool. She's literally almost welcoming us into her home. And I just love this composition. It's so dynamic, and she has such a beautiful face. And I love that smile. Just like that. Gracias, gracias. That is what I love about Mexico right here. Martina Flores is exactly what I love about Mexico. Let's keep on exploring. How cool was that? This video was a free preview of my Capture It All online course. In this course, you'll discover how to use your iPhone to literally capture everything that's happening around you. We'll talk about composition, storytelling, timing, photographing people, recording videos, time lapses, flying a drone, and so much more. If you'd like to use your iPhone to its fullest potential, please take a look at the full version of Capture It All. You'll find the link in the description right next to this video. So click on that link right now and I'll see you inside the full version of the course.